Are you always learning and never implementing? Yes, for many months I've been on this hamster wheel of always learning and not putting things into practicality. Reading books, attending live TikTok training, live YouTube webinars, attending presentations, online Zoom meetings. You ought to study, learn, and execute. Study, read, and put everything into practicality so that you can measure your progress and you can see certain results. You can revise what you need to improve, which skill set you need to work on, which mindset you need to develop, which attitude do you need to hone in order to put things into practicality. You can get stuck when you are just learning and learning and learning and learning, but never implementing. You can deceive yourself. You can feel stuck, lost, questioning your career path. So, in the comment section below, drop me a comment. Work smarter. Like this video and share this video. Always learning and never implementing. Believe me, that is a huge mistake that you are making. I've made this mistake for numerous amount of times in business. Number one, network marketing, digital marketing, buying and selling. Always learning and never implementing is a huge mistake. The solution is learn to implement, learn to execute, learn to put everything into practicality, learn to fail, learn to do the work a lot so that you can get exceptionally great. Thank you and you're welcome.